Bogota City versus City of Medellin. Bogota is the capital of Cundinamarca and is the main city of Colombia. Medellin is the second largest city in Colombia and the capital of Antioquia. Bogota has a temperate climate and Medellin has a tropical climate. Each year the Fire Festival Bogota and Medellin Flag of Parade takes place. Transporting Delhi is known for its integrated Transmilenio system was inaugurated on December 4, 2000. And first the Medellin Metro began operation on November 15, 1999. Thank you.